everybody, and welcome. Over the many years of my career, I've been able to represent sellers in wonderful properties, and this one is extra special. This storybook house is exactly that, but the owner has put in all the conveniences that today's buyer expects. So come on in. Welcome to 125 Frances in Modesto. And speaking of upgraded and keeping with the integrity of design, look at this kitchen. Beautiful gas range, built-in fridge, dishwasher, it's all here. And look at this luxurious main bedroom. Tucked away for privacy, quiet, and attached to a beautiful ensuite. So here we have over 2,300 square feet on a large city lot, just waiting for you to see it. So give me a call, Lorraine Cardoza with the Cardoza Group at 209-605-6317. I can't wait to take you through this beauty.